Welcome to another Gateway coding tutorial. We're going to show you how to use SmartJet logos using the free design software. You will need to go to this website right here for the free design package. So as we open this up, this is a screen you're going to see. And the first thing we're going to want to put into is a picture into this code. So we click the picture down here of the image. We tell it where we want to put that. And it puts a generic one up there because we have not chosen a file yet. So then we choose our file. We find that in our computer. We click it and then we bring it up here. You see where it's a little bit shaded? If you change that threshold saturation, then it'll clear that up. You can either make it darker or lighter. All right. So now we want to put in the barcode. So let's go with the barcode. Same thing. Click on it. Tell it where we want it to put it. All right, now it's a wrong barcode, or if it's not, we come down here and select what type of barcode we actually want to put in. All right, we're going to put a data matrix in here. Then we come down here for the information that's in that data matrix. So we put in whatever information we want to be displayed in that data matrix. All right, then we can resize that code. So if we come up here, we click on the barcode itself, drag it up, put it wherever we want, resize it, we're good to go. All right, now we're going to input some text. So we go to the text, click up here where we want it, input our text, just click in the box, swipe it, enter in the text you want. All right, now if we click outside of the box, then we see the text box. Now we can drag and resize that. So if I want to put in 2 more lines of the same size, I can click back in that box, get on the last character and hit enter. And then that's going to give me a second line of that same text size. So that kind of speeds things up. And I'll put in my next 2 rows of information here. Again, hit my enter. Put in your 3rd line of information. Now once this is done, you can also click outside of that box and then you can resize all 3 lines at the same time. We're going to go ahead and save that. All right, that just saves it on our computer. Now we want to trim that off of there. We want to get rid of all the blank white space off to the right. So we're going to change that from 8 centimeters to about 4.6 that we see there. Now that tightens everything up. All right. Now we need to put that onto our USB drive. So if we click this symbol, that will download this onto our computer into our download file, wherever that is. Now with our software we have on our computer, I have to go up here and OK it to be downloaded. So I have to come to this. It's the template.hex there. Okay, it's all right to download. All right, now if I go back up again, we'll see where it was downloaded as a file. Right there, I click on that little file folder and that's going to open the file folder. Now I need to put that onto my USB. So, and it has to be named STR01 through 020 because you have 20 different logos you can put in there, but you have to rename that. So STR, I'm going to name this 02 and then dot. Hint, the SmartJet printer will not recognize it. So I'll go ahead and save that. Now I can copy that. Well, there's already, yeah, there we go. So now we'll copy that over into this folder. Now I've got to get rid of that. I had already, I'm just showing you, so I need to delete the one that's on top. All right, now I'll rename this, make sure it's str02.hex. All right, and now it's loaded onto the USB drive. Now I can put that into my SmartJet printer. So we put the USB into the SmartJet printer. We need to stop the printing process, so stop. All right, go down into settings, update logo. This is going to load that logo onto the SmartJet printer itself. So after you do this, you'll no longer need the USB drive in the machine. So I'll go down to O2. So now it's looking for STR02 off of that USB drive. All right, so there it went and found it. And we come up to message. Create new. We want one line, so it's a whole half-inch field we have to work with. Go down to logo. There's logo 1, there's logo 2. So we select logo 2. Yep, we want to save the changes. We give that a new file name. And once you do this one time, you will not need the USB unless you're going to make changes to that logo somehow. We go to operation and then to start. You can see it right there on the screen. Now we'll just grab a piece of paper. Swipe it in front. And there's all of our information. All right. If you guys need any other videos made, just give us a call and we'll see what we can do to help you out. Thanks.